Welcome to Ionkwateweienhstonhatie, Lesson 2. There are 3 sound charts in Kanien'keha. Today we're going to be looking at the first one. Every word in Kanien'keha is made up of several sounds from the sounds chart. And looking at the first sound chart, we're going to be sounding out each sound, and later we're going to be putting the sounds together to make up words. The first line on your sounds chart goes like this: A, E, O, U. So incorporating the vowel sounds with consonant sounds. So when you incorporate H with the vowels, this is what you will get. H sounds like ha, he, ho, hu. And K makes the G sound. Incorporating K with the vowel sounds makes these sounds: ga, ge, gi, go, gong, gu. And KH makes the K sound. So incorporating KH with the vowel sounds: ka, ke, ki, ko, kong, ku. And N makes the N sound. Incorporating N with the vowel sounds: na, ne, ni, no, na, nu. And our R is a rolling R, so it sounds like R. And incorporating R with the vowel sounds: ra, re, ri, ro, ra, ru. And S sounds like a Z sound. Incorporating S with the vowel sounds: za, ze, zi, zo, zan, zu. And SH sounds like S. So SH with the vowel sounds goes sa, se, si, so, san, su. And T makes the sound D. So incorporating T with the vowel sounds: da, de, di, do, don, du. And TH sounds like T. So incorporating TH with the vowel sounds: ta, te, ti, to, ton, tu. And W sounds like W. So incorporating W with the vowel sounds goes wa, we, we, wo, wa, wu. And WH sounds like a soft F, so it sounds like, so incorporating the WH with vowel sounds: fa, fe, fa, fu. Now we're going to take some of the sounds from the sounds chart and incorporate them to make words. Gazere, ga, ze, re, gazere. Awaredi, a, we, ri, awaredi. Atere, a, te, re, atere. Atano, a, ton, no, atano. So today we looked at the first Kanien'keha sound chart, and we were able to take those sounds and incorporate them to make words. Next time we're going to be looking at the second sound chart. Ionkwateweienhstonhatie.